In this two-camera virtual studio and AR environment, each camera has its own dedicated engine. In addition to the VS engines, I have one extra engine for AR preview. I'm using the Reality 5 Virtual Studio example project. You can check the engine status on the engine toolbar. VS Engine 01, VS Engine 02, and AR Preview Engine. First, we need to set up our cameras and channels in the node graph for our engines. On our first engine, VS Engine 01, drag a UE5 node into the graph. Then spawn a reality camera. Once the reality camera is spawned, you can see the AR channel in the launcher module. The red color indicates that this channel's role is program. Now I will configure my graph on VS Engine 01. After this step, I will also spawn a reality camera on VS Engine 02. In the launcher, you can check the AR channel on my second engine as well. In the Lino module, I need to select Virtual Studio Show and filter the project's motion design templates. In the Lino rundown, you can see that the only available channel is AR because it is currently the only channel we have on both engines. This AR channel is also a Viewport channel. Viewport channels are embedded within reality cameras, which means they are created automatically when a user creates a reality camera. Back in Lino, I will add some motion design templates to the rundown. You can check their channels both in the templates panel and in the rundown. Let's add another template to the rundown. Take in the first item. You can see the graphics playing on both engines at the same time. With transition logic, the take next function also works with AR and VS graphics. Now we need to set up AR preview. Right now, the preview indicator is offline. I will switch to the AR preview engine graph. Drag a UE5 node into the graph, but this time we are not going to spawn a camera. Under Lino Channels, click the plus icon in Dynamic Channels. This action creates a dynamic channel output. Set its role to preview by enabling this checkbox. Also change its name to AR, because the program and preview channel names must match. As a quick note, the PGM underscore and PVW underscore prefixes are automatically added to channel names by Reality Hub based on the channel role. Now I will stream PVW underscore AR alongside the Virtual Studio outputs. Now the preview channel is online and I can use Reality's unique AR preview feature before sending graphics to program. Let's modify some properties of this graphic, such as its text, image, or color. Finally, I will take the graphic to program and it will appear with the modified properties.